Right. I like these ones. And I like these ones. These ones are longer. These ones are smaller. You get more in this. You get 32 in these. This is better for a spliff. This is better for a cig though. It's a better colour. These are proper Rizzler ones. These are Screwfuls. Suppose you could roll a cig out of these ones. It'd just be a bit big. Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Do you like my trainers? Do you like my trainers? Nike Air Max. Turn it off.